So you want to do email marketing, but your emails, you don't know how to write one. You don't know how to, you just don't know. Well, guess what? You have ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how to prompt engineer very high quality emails to be sent out. Get ready. All right. So first things first is what we want to do is we want to kind of feed ChatGPT information about our company. So we're going to start off by letting them know, for example, I am an insurance broker in Canada, Toronto. I am looking to generate the perfect email campaign new to generate leads. Are you ready? And sometimes, you know what, people are very confused on how they should speak to ChatGPT. You need to literally speak to it like it is your assistant. All right. Now, a big mistake people make is they don't have the design aspect. They don't have, that gift. So what I do when I generate emails is I generate them in HTML and CSS, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know now. Don't even get overwhelmed. So let me put your target audience. I am reaching out to accountants in Toronto, trying to build a partnership for us to work together, for them to refer me clients who need life insurance. Here we go. Now it's starting to understand what we're doing. Great approach. Thank you so much. And it's going to start giving us a bunch of spewing. Now we're going to let it ramble on for a little bit, but we're going to prepare the next message. What I want you to do is to research the best emails and the best designs for email marketing and try understand what works best, what doesn't. Okay. Now that we have kind of the fundamentals laid out, we're gonna go ahead and get it to start researching designing. Key email, do 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 do. I'm gonna go on and yapping. While it's preparing that, we're gonna ask it, can you take all the advice from above and read the entire chat history to develop a very high quality email targeting accountants on behalf of an insurance broker? The email must be returned in HTML, CSS with JavaScript inline. So what this means, HTML, CSS, HTML is basically the writing. So if you want just a basic web page with nothing on it in terms of color and so forth, that's HTML. Now, if you want to add CSS, which is the coloring and the effects, is also tied in with JavaScript. So CSS and JavaScript is kind of what makes it look very cool. So now it's going to start making the email in HTML. And then right after this one comes out, I'm going to say the design isn't professional. I want you to redesign the email and implement strategies you've learned over the last decade of computer programming and email marketing. I want a very, very high-end email with that is okay. We need the wording to sound professional yet human-like. This is very important too, is people always forget this part, the human-like aspect. We do want to sound professional, but we don't also want to sell. We want to sell the destination, not the flight. Okay, so let's go ahead and send this. And just so you can see right now where we're at before it feeds us the new one. So we can make this smaller. What this is where you paste HTML and it would show you this. Just so you know, typically if you're using a email mass um, sender like Brevo or so forth, you can actually input HTML. If you're using MailChimp or any one of these, you can input HTML in the email. So as you can see, the email kind of looks pretty nice. It looks slightly professional, but not that good. So let's see the improvements that it makes. And I mean, this is literally how I engineer emails that are being sent out on behalf of companies that have hundreds and hundreds of thousands of clients, tens of millions in revenue yearly. And here we go. Partner with your name. Enhance. Do-do-do-do. Okay, this looks a little bit better, but it's still not there. The email looks a bit better, but it just looks way too plain. Doesn't look professional. Doesn't look like Google sent it. It looks like a child designed it. Also, don't put any areas that require filling. For example, your name, agent name, etc. Okay, we're back. So it finished generating out this whole email. And then this is what I followed up with is what would you rate the email above in terms of conversion? 1 to 100%, 100%, and one who opens converts. Let's see what it says. Dynamic. Okay. So I want you to adjust the email to have a 90% conversion rate. Return perfect email. Now, just to show you where we're at right now. Oh, no, we broke. It broke. It broke. Oh, wait. Because it stopped. Wait, it stopped. It stopped. So this was the last code that it fully generated. Now we're gonna wait for this full last code, and it's going to be the final version. I will come back when it's ready. All right, so the email is now ready to go. Let's go ahead and have a look what it's looking like. Okay, so the header is clearly too big, but overall it is looking a lot nicer. So the header spacing is huge. For the header, put okay, yeah. So we only want your clients deserve security. For the header, only include and reduce spacing. Turn perfected email. All right, now this should be the last time we prompt this before the email is ready to be sent out. I will be back when it's ready. And we're back for the final product. Let's go ahead and copy the code, paste it into the HTML viewer, and boom. Now this email is very high quality. It looks very nice. You can see the quotes. It looks very well designed, looks very professional. Now, in terms of the actual content, it does need to be reviewed. Let's actually read through it. Now, the content of the email just doesn't make sense. Read chat history. This isn't a deal or a course being sold. We're trying to partner with accountants. I am an insurance broker. Try understand. Put yourself in the shoe of the accountant and what they would want to read. We want to partner, give them commission. Okay, we'll be back when this is ready. All right, let's see the final production. Boost your earnings with referrals. We're seeking accountants in Toronto to refer clients who need life insurance. Be successful. Beautiful. This is straight to the point, very professional designing. Schedule a call. Very simple. Literally, the conversion rate on this email would be through the roof. This is exactly how I would use ChatGPT to engineer an email to be mass marketed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye.